My name is Mohammad Nansir Alvi. I am an operational manager in Staff Sewing Machines Limited. Our company name is, as I told you, Staff Sewing Machines Limited. We have been in Nigeria for the last 11 years, and not only in Nigeria, we have a showroom in globally, like in whole Africa, Middle East, and Far East also. In Mauritius, we have Ghana and Tunisia, Kenya, and in our head office is in Dubai. We have 4 branches in Dubai and 1 head office in Dubai in Al Qasas industrial area. That's name is Star Sewing Machines Trading LLC. So we sell a lot of high level elite class of brand of sewing machines for garment manufacturing. So we have all the range of the brand for the sewing machines for garment manufacturing. So I will introduce some of my product in Nigeria what we are selling here. So we have Jack brand. Jack is made in China. They have own manufacturing plant in China and they are Shanghai listed company. They have a German technology of sewing machine inside for the electronic board. So we have, this is our main brand, Jack. We have Puff. Puff is made in Germany, and that one this is made in Germany. We have been selling. This one is for post bed leather sewing machine. You can see the multiple layer of this for sewing. We have our own brand, that is Star. So this one is also Star. We have another brand, Kansai. Kansai is also made in Japan. So this machine is for cylinder bed interlocking machine for bottom and sleeve hemming. This one is also Kansai. This one is a Jack machine. Okay, this one is like another brand. We have Jack. This one is full function machine. This one is from made in Japan company, but manufacturing assembling in China. We have been importing this machine from Europe. Our suppliers in the Europe. So we have a brother also, and I will take it to you. Other brands. We have Toyota brand. Toyota is tabletop domestic machines. It has multiple different type of pattern sewing. So you just need to select the dial. So you will get the required pattern from this machine. So it has 15 stitches, different stitches at 15. It has 36 different stitches. You can see the stitches, different stitches. You can just select by changing one dial. We have Bernina. Bernina is made in Switzerland. It's a European brand. So that machine I show you, Toyota, is a manual type. That machine is fully computerized. You can see it's a touch panel. You just need to select the stitch you want. It will make it ready itself here. So it has around 400 different type of stitches like this. It's a full computerized machine. So you can just select the number of stitch. So you will get the stitch. This one is also Bernina brand. It has a speed controller. It is also full function computerized machine. It has these different type of patterns. You just need to select the pattern number, so it will make the pattern. This one is Bernina embroidery machine. This one is Bernina embroidery machine. You have to make a design in a software and load the design by USB and load the design from here. You have to put the USB here and load the design from here, and you need to play. Machine will make a design like this. It has embroidery area. So this one is a pattern sewing machine. It has a default pattern design, different type of design already in it, and you can make your own design on pillow, car seat covers, cushions, curtains. This is the area. You can increase the area. See, you can see this. The frame has more area, but the embroidery frame is small. You can increase the frame so you can get the more bigger embroidery on this machine. So this machine is from Europe, made in Switzerland. We have 2 brother models. These as I mentioned you, they're brother machine. This is the same brother brand. Model is a 7000 DD, and this one is the basic one. This one is brother basic one at 1000 DD, S1000 A3. This one is the basic straight sewing machine for brother industrial company. This one is direct drive. That one is with clutch motor. This is the most selling brand in Nigeria. you can see it has a compressed small electronic panel. You can increase and decrease the speed, and you can up and down needle position of the machine. If you want to stop needle at down, machine needle will stop at down after sewing, and if you want to stop machine at needle up, so you just need to select from here, machine needle will up. You can increase and decrease the sewing speed. And this is this machine is direct drive. Old conventional machine comes with a clutch motor. When you on the machine, clutch motor start rotating, it start wasting the electricity until you start stitching the fabric. But this direct drive machine, it saves up to 70% wastage of electricity, because there is no clutch motor down under the table. So that one is the most selling brand in Nigeria forever. And this one has 2 or 3 functions. This one is for reverse stitch, this one is for stitch length. This machine is A4. This machine has all functions like straight swing. This machine is straight swing, direct drive, and it has a speed controller. It has thread trimmer, auto press foot lifter, or there is no knee lifter, so auto press foot lifter is there. And it has the thread trimmer and auto back tag. Before stitching it will back tag, and after stitching it will back tag. So there is no reverse stitch lever here, and there is no knee lifter underneath the table. So it's a full function automatic machine. You can swing, you can sew the fabric by controlling one stitch. You can on off the button, and you can reduce the half of the stitch length by pressing this. So it reduces the stitch itself automatically. This one is source function, model number is A4E. Overlock weaving machine. So this one is 5 thread, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 3 thread will do the overlock, and these 2 stitch do the safety lock stitch on the garment fabric. So this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 thread is on front, 1 thread is come from the back side, 5 thread. This one is jack 5 thread overlock machine. It's also direct drive machine. It has fabric cutter. So when you sew, extra fabric will automatically cut. This machine you can make 3 thread by stopping 2 thread. So it will do the overlock only. This one is jack H2. This one is direct drive machine. It has a speed controller, and it has a needle position, stitch length up to 8 mm. It has reverse lever also. It has knee lifter also. So this machine is you can see the multiple layer of leather that machine has capability to sew. It can sew up to 8 layers of leather in one time. It's a double walking foot machine. It's a double foot walking foot machine. You can see the 2 foots are there. 1 foot is this, another foot is this. So the machine works like this. This is also same jack machine. This one is for bar tag. Bar tagging is for this edges, and these edges. So and these edges. This is star machine is waistband elastic attaching machine. This machine comes with a complete set of elastic. So you can join the elastic. Okay, you can join the elastic edge. You can put the fabric. So this one is waistband elastic attaching machine. So for boxers and for trousers and undergarments. So this one is waistband elastic machine. It's our own brand, Star. We are manufacturing and assembling it from China, and machine quality is very good. We have just few pieces remaining in the stock. All of the stock we have been sold very quickly. This one is Tajima, made in Japan, Sai machine. This Sai model is embroidery. A small area, it's made in Taiwan. Tajima is made in Japan. This model manufacturing in Taiwan. So this area is 200 by 300, complete embroidery, full automatic machine, single head with 8 needles. So you will have to make, this machine comes with a free designing software. So you can make your own design in a software up to 8 colors, 8 different colors logo you can make in your machine, in your software. And you need to insert a USB here, load a design, assign a color on needles number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, anyone. You can select. If you have a design on 3 different color, you can select number needle 1, 2, 3. So machine will start with color 1 and end with color 3. So it will make a complete design itself. You don't need to stop. It start itself from 1 and it end. Monograms that we already made. I will show you how the design clean is this on this Tajima Sai machine. You can see that one is a Adidas. It has a color 1. This design is only 1 color, and stitches is 4093 stitches in this design, means needle width stroke 4093 times, and area is the design width, height and width of 62 height, 72.2 mm is that. These type of monogramming, this basically machine is monogramming for promotional item, caps, shirt, t-shirt. These are the some monograms. From Nigeria, we have been selling machine to the neighboring countries also, and in Nigeria also. Within Lagos, delivery and installation is free of cost. Machine operational training is free of cost. You just need to pay us. Our company team will come itself at your doorstep. They will deliver the machine, they will install the machine, and they will give the training how to operate the machine.